Continuing our bus trip adventure, we are in one and only Bryce Canyon. It's a bit colder up here. It did have some snowfall. We're gonna try to kind of ease into it after Zion National Park. So far, looking at the canyon, having all that snow on the canyon just kind of makes it look pretty crazy. I don't know, I'm enjoying this so far. We just got here today, so far 10 out of 10. It's a little windy up here. The wind is quite cold. I'm feeling a little chilly. It kind of just keeps getting better and better. So far, it's definitely worth coming up here, even if you're just going to look at it. So we are over at Bryce Point. It is windy, it is cold, but I think this will be our last spot in the canyon for the day. So it's been a day or so. We took yesterday as a do-nothing day, but we are at the end, 18 miles, Rainbow Point. I don't know what's special about this, we're about to see. We're at the Black Birch Canyon. It's just a little lookout, just on the other side of the Rainbow Lookout. The colors here are kind of insane. Like a lot of some deep oranges and some deep reds, some yellows, and then the greens from the trees, and then the white from the snow kind of just puts it all together. And the sun is nice.
I got as far as Cripple Creek that night. I met a girl with golden hair and green eyes. Fell in love on the outskirts of town. Hung my hat, figured I'd stick around. Hey, the part of me that longs to hold her at night would bury any man that don't treat her right. I'm gonna love and live and kill and fight with my whole heart till death do us part.